Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Brit and I'm excited that you clicked onto today's video because I'm here to install this True Glory hair wig with y'all. Your girl definitely feel like they came in clutch with this one. Before we get into the install, y'all let me know if y'all like this makeup look I did, because I've been tapping back into my makeup bag and just doing all of the things that I love to do, and I feel like it's giving, honey. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think. But anyways, let's get into the install because I'm obsessed with how this look came out. And if you are interested in a good wig, be sure to check out True Glory Hair if you're feeling today's video. I will be sure to leave the specs and the link to this hair down below, as well as my coupon code where you can get some money off by using code BRIT35. I'll make sure to put that across the screen. So make sure that you check that description box before you leave. Per usual, I'm starting off with a clean base and placing my UOG lace glue down in front of my hairline. And I did this step 3 times so I can get a good long hold. I wanted to make sure that my wig stayed on for a good week or two, and then went in with my homemade lace tint spray all over the lace. And this has helped me out so much, especially when it comes to installing my wigs when I don't want to use makeup to blend on the lace. I just placed the wig down into the glue that I just put in front of my hairline, and then I went ahead and started pressing that lace in with my rat tail comb. So I decided not to do baby hairs this time around just because I wanted you guys to see the full outcome of this install. And I know this clip is looking a little ghetto because I do have my handheld mirror set up on my lap, so that is why my head is down so far. So just please disregard. Your girl is like in a different filming setup, and it was kind of awkward trying to film this, but I'm not going to ramble. I'll definitely go ahead and just let y'all finish out the video, and I do want to thank y'all for watching.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they saying it's before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullish, and let's go. Y'all, I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. That I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump. Ladies, wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Ladies, don't throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Girl, this is yours, do whatever you want to. Hear these words out my mouth now, tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it? It's an anthem, you can bounce around. Yeah, you just accept to take your breath, bring it back now. Dudes get excited, seeing what they like, hoping they the one you choose, hope they get invited. Late night rendezvous is alright, but we loving how the club vibrating, it's enticing. Let the beat knock, trust me, we ain't gonna stop. Head to the lights up, watch us take over the spot. Few mad looks from them chicks, you know, and from them dudes who be jealous of a chick with dough. Pop another bottle for them, keep my life moving. No time for the drama, watch me blow through them. I know I sound confident, I'm supposed to though. We do it big, how we live, Kelly told you so. Come on. Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. I told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Turn around and I make it jump. All my ladies wanna keep that body, make it jump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like this. I told y'all was gonna jump like this. How you not gonna know it when it hit like this? tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade, blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up in love, I don't know how to be.
In this clip, I wanted to show y'all the full wig and how thick it actually is, plus the movement of the hair, because baby, that's very important. So whenever I have dealt with True Glory hair, I have never had to worry about the density of their wigs. It's always been on point, especially with the thickness. Now, as y'all can see, the lace is blended really well in this clip. Now, granted, different light sources can alter how colors appear. So in the next clip, you'll understand what I mean when I show you the hairline straight on versus the side profile. But baby, that side profile eats and you can see the true melt. Like, I definitely love the fact that these knots were so easy to bleach and I didn't have any trouble getting that done. The hair on this wig is so soft, very flowy, nice texture and thickness. Plus it curls like a dream and it's easy to work with. Recommend 10 out of 10. Okay.